Hello! Today I wrote my first practice SAT. So firstly, I would like to say that I tried to make this test that much real it was possible. So I printed all of the papers and wrote it on the paper. Not every single page is one side because I didn't want to waste a lot of paper. So I decided to print one-sidely only the first part, which was reading, and other parts were printed on both sides. Also, I found what should you have on the SAT test, and I had two pencils, number 2, with erasers, but there I changed something because these erasers were bad, so I decided just to take normal rubber.
Stop it.
And also I took something with you can sharpen your pencil, but I didn't use it, so it was like I didn't have it, but yes, I took it. And I also couldn't have found my calculator because I was thinking like, probably I need really sophisticated calculator, but it wasn't true. I was using only this basic maths, but instead of the calculator I took my mom's phone, and as you can see it's like this and also like this. But as I said, it wasn't necessary, so I even didn't use it. But you also should remember that I have no interest in faking this score because firstly it's information for me, how much work have I to do. So yes, it's like this. I tried to do my best, and now you will see the time lapses of my writing because I recorded everything, so you can watch it now. Yeah! So I'll start with my final test score, which was 1100. Yes, this is my score of this SAT. What would I say about it? I think it's okay. It's okay. I'm a sophomore in high school now, so I have a few years to prepare to this, and I think that's enough, and I feel okay with this score. I'm happy that wasn't that bad, and you know, I still see big place to progress, so this is what I want to do. And now we will go to each section and I will talk about it a bit. Firstly, I would like to say that I have to record this video mostly again because it didn't record most of my talking. And
loser! You're a loser! Are you feeling sorry for yourself? Well, you should be, because you are dirt! You make me sick, you big baby!
I just have to repeat this, but it's not bad. I feel okay. Maybe it will look better. Probably it will. So, going to the first part of this SAT, like every SAT, it was English part. So, section 1, reading, in which I scored 25 of 52 possible raw scores, or I don't know how to say it because it wasn't exactly points, but maybe some way points. And this was definitely the hardest part for me. To be honest, I always had problems with this. Maybe maybe not, no, bad word, because I didn't have problems, but like I didn't feel the best in this. So this is definitely something I will practice at and I will work really hard for, but I still think that for the first time it was okay, because really a lot of text to read and answer, which is a lot, and I don't know because I didn't check my answers with the questions. I only just put the pluses or minuses next to each question but on the answer sheet. But I think that probably I get the most and probably all points from the text, which was about biology, which is really strange for me because I just don't feel good at biology. It doesn't interest me a lot, but I also see some connections, but I won't talk about it now. And I think this is the time to go to the second section, which was writing and language. Here I scored 22 of 44 row score or points or something like this, and I felt much better on this section. It was much easier for me, but still there's a lot to change, and I think this will be also my big part of practice. I don't know what can I say more here. It wasn't really hard, but as you see, as I see, it wasn't the best for me. And on all these two English sections I scored 490 points. So definitely there's a lot of things to change, but that's okay, I will do it and I will practice. I will also, after analyzing all the sections, I will tell you about where I prepared for this first test, so you will probably understand me. And going to the first section, which was math, but without a calculator, here I scored 16 of 20 points, row score. To be honest, it was really easy for me. I didn't understand some terms, but this is much easier to change than math skills. It was really okay, and I don't know if I have to say something else. I can also add that probably in Poland we have higher level of math, so this is also because of this, and I think I'm good at maths, so this is why it went like this. And going to the last fourth section, which was math but with a calculator, I scored here 24 of 38 points available, and to be honest I felt like it went better, but as I can see it didn't go that well, but still a lot of things I didn't understand. But it's not the argument, absolutely it's not the argument. I think just I could do better here. Probably I felt too much confident, or maybe not confident, but like I didn't focus that well. It also was the last part, so after 3 long sections, but it's okay. I think I also can improve this score, and it's definitely okay for this moment, and I think in the future I can try just to do better. So summarizing all this math section, I scored here 610 points, which I think that's pretty great, but as I said, it could be better, but I'm still sophomore, so I have a few years to do better, and I will do this. And summarizing all the topic of today's video, I would like to say that it was my first SAT. I didn't even look where in this test is, but this was the plan, so I'm not complaining. I feel that I can do really a lot of things, and just to be better, just to have improvement, development and everything. So I will do this, and probably I will even do about this some videos, because it's something that I am interested in now. This was the SAT practice test number 1 from the official website. Yes, so you can also search it and practice on your own. I think another big problem was organization, and like the time was really short. A lot of questions, but as I saw, it's common in American exams. But okay, I think that's also okay, because if you have more time, you just analyze everything again, and sometimes you decide badly and maybe it's better. So if you're writing something like this, definitely you should train your first decisions, because for me it was the most of this exam. I didn't even look to any question again because I didn't have time, but it's okay. I think like for the first time it's really okay score, and probably I'll soon try also different exams, but I think focusing on the SAT it's okay, because I don't know, I just feel this, and maybe I'll try TOEFL soon, but we'll see. Now I want to relax and also practice a lot. Maybe I even try to do some exercises every day to be better, because it's important, and this is a really huge part of success. About I probably also record something in the future. So this will be everything today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I don't know, smile and be happy, and see you soon. Bye.